What if my Zalando item is damaged or defective? Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you what to do if your Zalando item that you received is damaged or defective. The first thing I would like you to do is to launch your Zalando account, which of course you've done right there. Now the next I'm going to walk you through the process of creating your own Zalando account. Here's what you should do. Launch in the browser of your choice. Locate the search bar of your browser. In the search bar, type zalando.com. That's going to take you to the official website for Zalando. Once you get there, locate the sign up button and follow through with the on-screen prompts to create your own Zalando account. And of course, once you do that successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Zalando. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's text. What happens if the product that you receive from Zalando is damaged or defective? What you have to do is to return. Just return the order. Here's what you should do from this homepage. So you're gonna have to head over to your order, or let's head over to return an item. So it says, what would you like to return? How to make a return? You have no items eligible, so I can return. All right, but then if you do, you're going to see your items available here, and you can now head over to this right corner and click on create return, and you'll be able to walk you through the process of course, returning your item. But let's click on how to make a return so that we'll see all we need to know before we start the process. So how do I return my order? If you're not happy with your order, you have 100 days. That's a lot of days actually to send us back any items for free. Now you can easily return parcels with a code on your phone. Just register your return online below and let us know which item you'd like to return, and after completing the return, you receive a code to show on your mobile phone when you drop off the parcel. So how do you create a return? First, click the return items button below, which of course is right here. And then select the items you want to return and choose a reason. Of course, the self-explanatory. And then select a preferred return method. That's using the return code or the return label, whichever one you have at your disposal. You can now save the return code on your mobile device and show it when you drop off the parcel. Now, alternatively, you can print a return label and attach it to your parcel yourself. And then pack what you're returning and drop off the parcel at an EVRI parcel shop or locker. And then if you're using a return code, show it to the agent and they will print the return label on your behalf. And if you're using a return label, you can schedule a contactless pickup for your parcel. Now, don't forget to ask for proof of return receipt, and you're done. And if you're using a return code, you can return your parcel at the EVRI parcel shop. All right, so you can click on here for you to find that, and then find the locker. You can click on this hyperlink that will drop off your parcel 247. And if you're using a return label, you can return your parcel at your nearest EVRI parcel shop, and then find the locker here, and then schedule a contactless pickup for your parcel. So here's all you need to do. Just follow through with all of these steps and click on this return items. And once you click on return items, then go through all of these steps that have been outlined here, and you're done. You will be good to go. So this is what you do if the order that you received or the product that you received is damaged or has an issue. So go over to the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.